Let's practice questions with descriptions. Remember, positive, he is. Question, switch. Switch, is he? Make a question, sad.
Is he sad?
Yes, he is. Make a question, happy.
Is he happy?
Yes, he is happy. Make a question, angry.
Is he angry?
Yes, he's angry. Make a question, sad. Yes, he is. Make a question, happy. Yes, he is. Make a question, angry. Yes, he is. Hungry. Make a question, hungry.
Is he hungry?
Yes, he's hungry. Make a question, thirsty.
Is he thirsty?
Yes, he is thirsty. Make a question, hungry. Yes, he is. Make a question, thirsty. Yes, he is thirsty. Make a question, sleepy.
Is he sleepy?
Yes, he is. Make a question, tired.
Is he tired?
Yes, he's tired. Make a question, sleepy. Yes, he is sleepy. Make a question, tired. Yes, he's tired. Let's practice questions with name, Lorena. She is Lorena. Positive. Lorena is a housekeeper. Lorena is. To make question, switch. Is Lorena? Question. Make a question, sad.
Is Lorena sad?
No, she's not. Make a question, happy.
Is Lorena happy?
Yes, she is happy. Make a question, sad. No, she's not. Make a question, happy. Yes, she is. Question, angry.
Is Lorena angry?
No, she's not. Sleepy. Make a question.
Is Lorena sleepy?
No, she's not. Make a question, angry. No, she's not. Make a question, sleepy. No, she's not sleepy. Make a question, hungry.
Is Lorena hungry?
Yes, she is. Make a question, thirsty.
Is Lorena thirsty?
Yes, she is. Make a question, tired.
Is Lorena tired?
No, she's not tired. Make a question, hungry. Yes, she is. Make a question, thirsty. Yes, she is. Make a question, tired. No, she's not tired. Good job. Let's practice questions with name, Lorena, and professions. For professions, remember, a pilot, a nurse, a cook. Make a question, a pilot.
Is Lorena a pilot?
No, she's not. Question, a nurse.
Is Lorena a nurse?
No, she's not. Make a question, pilot. No, she's not. Question, a nurse. No, she's not a nurse. Make a question, a cook.
Is Lorena a cook?
No, she's not. Question, a farmer.
Is Lorena a farmer?
No, she's not a farmer. Make a question, a cook. No, she's not. Make a question, a farmer. No, she's not. Make a question, a waitress.
Is Lorena a waitress?
No, she's not. Make a question, a housekeeper.
Is Lorena a housekeeper?
Yes, she is a housekeeper. Make a question, a waitress. No, she's not. Make a question, a housekeeper. Yes, she is a housekeeper.